One of the videos on my channel that has made waves is my how to send files or images on WhatsApp without losing the quality. And this video has averaged up to 15,000 views on the channel now. The frequent question I got, or the most frequent comments I had on that particular video, was how you can upload a video to your WhatsApp status or an image to your WhatsApp status without losing the quality. What you need to do to retain the image quality on your WhatsApp status is just one simple method, and this is just by cropping the unessential parts of the image. So maybe you have an image where it's made of trees and the only concentration is maybe you are in the image and you want people to see you, okay, and the main concentration is you and a lot of trees, a bunch of unnecessary stuff in there. You can just try and then crop some parts out of it, and once you crop that portion out, it becomes clearer and better than you would upload it in whole. Or you can send it to an application like PhotoGrid or InShot or maybe Canva, and then put it in a square format like the screen recording is showing now. And once you put it there, what you have to go ahead and do is to save that image, and then you can re-upload it back to your WhatsApp status. And with that, it maintains maybe 80% of the quality, doesn't really take all of it out. So these are the steps I really want you to take. With the video quality, trust me, it's still the same. There's no possible solution for that yet. And I promise if I find a solution for that, I would come your way with a new video on that. The third option would be for using modded WhatsApp applications, but I wouldn't go much into that since my video might get reported or removed. So I'll do a video on that on my IGTV page on Instagram, and so follow me in the description and get to watch the video, and I bet you'd not regret choosing that option. I'm Delpy, and thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace out.